everyone. All right, so today is a beautiful day here in Utah, but the winter's coming, and we'll have low temperatures soon and snow too. So today I'm gonna take the GT350 for last short ride, and then I'll wash it, I'll cover it up, I'll put it away, so will stay in the garage till the weather gets better. Eventually, if there's a nice dry winter day, I'll take it out to have a short ride. I'll see. I'm not sure yet on that. Typically when it's put away, it's kind of a hassle to get it back out the way I park, but maybe I will, maybe not. We'll find out. Temperatures right now is about 60 degrees. It's about 30 degrees in the morning. In the morning is almost too cold to drive it because the tires, they're just not good when it's that cold. So yeah, let's go for a ride, and I hope you enjoy these videos. Let me know if you do, and subscribe for more GT350 content next year. And if you enjoy my other vehicles, go ahead and have a look at the videos. And thanks for watching, and talk to you later.